TUT coin is making another powerful move in today's cryptocurrency market, surging an impressive 65% over the past 24 hours and trading around 20 cents. The sharp rally has placed TUT firmly in the spotlight, with buyers pushing the token significantly higher and creating a major shift in short-term momentum. A 65% gain in a single day is a substantial move for any cryptocurrency. Such a rally can quickly attract momentum traders, increase market visibility, and generate strong community attention. However, rapid price increases can also create extreme volatility as early buyers consider taking profits and new participants enter at higher levels. The 20 cents region is now an important psychological and technical area to watch. If TUT can hold around this level after today's explosive advance, it could potentially develop into a new short-term support zone. Maintaining the recent gains could give buyers a stronger foundation for another upward attempt. If selling pressure becomes dominant, however, the token could enter consolidation or retrace part of today's move. One of the biggest indicators to monitor now is trading volume. If today's 65% rally is supported by strong and sustained volume, it could suggest that the move has meaningful market participation behind it. Continued activity would indicate that buyers remain interested even after the rapid price increase. If volume falls sharply, the initial momentum could begin to cool as short-term traders secure profits. Beyond today's price action, traders may continue watching TUT's ecosystem development, adoption, exchange activity, partnerships, token utility, roadmap progress, and community engagement. Positive project developments could help maintain the attention generated by today's rally and potentially provide additional catalysts for future market interest. Buyers continue defending 20 cents and volume remains healthy. TUT could potentially attempt to challenge higher price levels. But if profit-taking accelerates, the token could retrace part of today's advance. This makes the price action over the next several sessions especially important. For now, TUT coin is trading around 20 cents after gaining 65% today, making it one of the notable performers in the current cryptocurrency market. Today's move has significantly increased attention around TUT, but the next phase of price action will determine whether this becomes a sustained trend or a short-term spike.